Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So, these past few weeks have been really hard for everybody around the world, of course, with everything that's going on with this virus, with this COVID 19. And many of us, of course, cannot go outside and because a lot of places are either closed or because we have to do our job, of course, and stay away from other people so that we can limit the spread. And so what's cool is these app developers who make some cool, fantastic apps for the iOS ecosystem have made a lot of their apps free for maybe 2 weeks. And then, of course, they have to go and charge you again to download the app. So you can actually download these apps I'm going to share with you guys for now for free. So you're going to want to hop on to your app store on your iPhone or iPad and download these apps before they are gone and before they are paid again. So let's begin. So the first app is called Carrot Fit. So Carrot Fit, of course, if you have known me already, I have the sister app called Carrot Weather, which is of course a weather app for the iPhone and iPad. And the developer has made Carrot Fit free for 2 weeks. So Carrot Fit pretty much helps you do some exercise. Depending on because we're stuck inside, so we gotta do something, and so it's just really cool that you could now be able to do some cool exercise from your home for free thanks to Carrot Fit. And it's just a fantastic app as well. And yeah, it's just a great way just to keep fit while we're stuck inside because we can't go outside too much and we don't want to limit and we don't want to spread more the virus and everything. So yeah, it's just really fantastic and it's just a great way just to stay fit, of course, during these times. Next, we have Duolingo. So Duolingo is a free app already. And Duolingo, of course, is just an app that I recommend you download because now that if maybe you have some free time, maybe you don't, but if you do have some free time, you can learn a new language. So like me, I'm trying to learn French. And so yeah, that's why I have Duolingo so that I can learn French. And it's just a great way just to do something different other than just watching Netflix or just playing video games and all that stuff, of course, on the TV. So you could go out for a walk and start listening and practicing a new language. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm learning French while I stay inside and do my part, of course. And it's just a fantastic way to pass the time as well. Next, we have Down Dog. So Down Dog is a yoga app. So the app is free to download for 2 weeks, and then you're gonna switch it back to paid. So Down Yoga course is just a great way to do yoga. So depending on how experienced you are and everything, you'll be able to do it. So you could change the course to beginner and everything here. So of course I'm a beginner, so I'm gonna have it in beginner, and then you could just start, and it will start your yoga class, and you could follow along and do some yoga inside the house without having to go to a yoga studio where there's gonna be a lot of people and probably is closed right now. So yeah, it's just a fantastic way to, just to do something different, like yoga, and just try to relax with these hard times that are going outside right now. Next, we have now the rest of the apps are games. Now I just talked about how to do something else other than play video games and everything. But these are some fantastic games that have gone free for the next 2 weeks. So I highly recommend you download these games. So Alto Adventure is one of my favorite games ever. I remember playing this game early on, and it's just a fantastic game where pretty much the whole thing is simplicity, of course, and you just have to either catch some llamas and just try to make it as far as possible you can without dying or being hit by a rock or anything like that. So yeah, it's just a fun game to play. I highly recommend it, and yeah, it's just a fun way to pass some time when maybe at night when you're done everything that you had to do for the day, just to relax. Next, we have Odyssey. So Alto Odyssey was the second game that was released following Alto's Adventure. So Alto's Odyssey is the same premise and everything. So you just try to survive as far as possible, and yeah, and just have fun with it, of course. So yeah, I remember playing this game, and I remember when it was released as a surprise uh, release, of course, at a WWDC event. I forgot what year it was, But yeah, I remember I paid for this app, so this app I paid for it. So yeah, it was just a fantastic game, and I used to play it a lot. And so yeah, I'm happy to see the developers are releasing this app for free for you to just to pass the time and just relax, of course, just to do something else. So yeah, and it's just a fantastic game as well. Next, we have Mini Metro. So Mini Metro, I've been playing this game for a long time now, and I'm happy to see developers have also made this game for free. So Mini Metro, the whole thing about this game is just to make your metro system work properly without having to have a backlog of people waiting for the train, of course, and without having to overload them. Because if you do that, then you pretty much lose the game. So it's just a simple game that it's really easy to play. And yeah, I highly recommend it if you're looking for something else to do like this. And yeah, it's just a fantastic game to pass the time and relax as well. And next and not least, we have here something called Origins. So Origins is a fantastic game that I just started playing a day ago when I found out that developers are making this app for free for 2 weeks. So yeah, so the whole point, this game is a tower defense game. So if you're a fan of tower defense games like I am, I used to play them a lot of them when I was in high school and everything. So I'm happy to see that I found that this game was free and I found out it was a tower defense. So I automatically downloaded this game and started playing with it. So yeah, it's a tower defense game. The whole point, of course, if you know tower defense games, is not to let the enemy make it all the way through, and you just have to build defenses so that you can destroy the enemy. So yeah, it's just a fun game that I recommend, and if you're looking for something else to do as well, and just pass the time as well, and I heard really good things about this game, and so that's why I also downloaded this game really fast. And yeah, and it's free, so why not download just play and play for a while? So yeah, whenever I'm bored or something. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. These are some of the top apps right now they could go and download for free while they last before they are turned into paid as well back again. So that's pretty much it for some interesting fun apps that you could go and download right now. Take advantage of them, and yeah, it's just really cool that developers are doing this so that we have something else to do other than just watch Netflix. So that's it for now, guys. And as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.